Welcome back, YouTube. This is Dave Lucas with Injection Molding Skills and More. So today's video, we are actually going to go over the scientific molding procedure, okay, and what you have to do whenever you get a brand new mold and what happens on that, okay. So these are some of the steps that you would follow on doing a brand new scientific mold procedure. Each one of these we'll go over step by step each week. So next week, I'll do the repeatability test and show you how to do a repeatability test. The next week, we'll go over a viscosity curve and show you how to do a viscosity curve. The next week, we'll go over a gate freeze and show you how to do a gate freeze study. And then the last one, we'll go over process window, okay, guys? So let's jump into this. So the first one that you actually would do is called a repeatability test. So the purpose of this test is to determine if the screw barrel and check valve are functioning properly, okay? The second one would be a viscosity curve. The purpose of this test is to determine the optimal injection velocity for the particular material, mold, and part design, okay? So that's what a viscosity curve is. A gate freeze. The purpose of this test is to determine the point at which the gate begins to freeze off and pack and hold pressure can be removed, okay? So you'll weigh out all your parts and all that. This one here we'll do the third week. Process window. Process window determines how much variation there can be with regards to pressure and temperature and still obtain, an acceptable part. Okay, so I hope on this you guys can see all this that I have up here. The next 4 weeks, this is what the videos are going to be going over. So repeatability test next week, viscosity curve the week after, gate freeze, and what I'll do is I'll always show you guys the formulas on each one of these individually, okay? I wrote down a list of all kinds of things that I am going to go over in the next couple weeks, and I'll have like little troubleshooting techniques and stuff that shows you like on my shorts and stuff like that, that'll help you guys out. So let me go over this list. I wrote a list together of like a bunch of different ones that I know everybody goes over. So let's start off. So sink marks, short shots, nozzle drool, nozzle freeze off, splay of all different kinds. So there's different types of splay. So you'll have what they call silver streaking, gate blush, like a splay at the gate areas. I mean, there's different types. So we'll go over all those. Voids and bubbles. Some people think voids are bubbles and bubbles are voids. So, I mean, it's kind of up in the air, it's kind of. Pour weld line, part sticking in mold, short or shot-to-shot variation, warpage or distortion. I just went over one of those with you guys. Unmelt pellets or pour color mixing, okay? Sprue sticking or breaking off, blisters, flaking, or delamination. So that's a really good one. Brittleness, part dimension too large, part dimension too small. Inconsistent fill time. Inconsistent cushion. What causes that? That's what we're going to go over. That's what these are for. Like inconsistent fill time would be all over the place. Inconsistent cushion all over the place. Flash, burn marks, flow marks, poor surface finish, stressed parts, black spots, brown streaks, air entrapment, excessive flash, halo, blush marks, gels, jetting, worm tracking. So I know a lot of people, if you've been in molding for a long time, you know what worm tracking is. Material leakage, valve gate pin doesn't close or doesn't open correctly. Surface finish, low gloss. So these are some of the things that I put on this paper here that I wanted to go over with you guys in the next couple of weeks, getting into all of this. I just wanted to, show you guys in the next couple of weeks what's coming up. That way you can be prepared. And then I have a plan going forward that shows you, hey, we're going to do the repeatability test, we're going to do the viscosity curve, we're going to do the gate freeze, and we're going to do a process window. And on these, I do have the formulas, and whenever I get all the classes done on this, I will be able to send you a copy of one if you'd like to see one. Definitely would do that for you guys. If you like this type of video, let me know. Going forward, I just wanted to touch base with you guys to let you know, hey, this is what I'm actually going to show you in the next couple weeks. Please like, share, and subscribe down there in that corner. I really do appreciate all the support to the channel. Again, peace.